Hey, you going guys, just doing a quick video today to showcase an application that solves an issue that a lot of people do have with the home screen of our head units. So by default, when you get the unit, this little window here displays Google Maps, and Google Maps is alright, but the only issue with it is it uses network-based location on the unit. So that means it's going to be stuck on whatever it comes on, so usually it's saying Perth, unless you were to have like either a Starlink connected, you have it connected to Wi-Fi, you got it connected to, like a mobile data SIM card or anything like that. So for a lot of people, me included, it's pretty useless to have Google Maps there. And even though I'm in PhoneLink here usually and I'm using my phone's maps, it is annoying to see a map there that isn't actually showing anything, like it's not showing where you are, anything useful like that. So you can actually replace this with pretty much any navigation app that you can find on the Google Play Store on the unit. So the one that we've tested the most and that I personally use is called OsmAnd. As you can see there, it's downloadable on the Google Play Store, and you can change it out on the map screen by going into settings like this, car infotainment, navigation, and then in the file path here, it'll currently be on like maps like that, but you can just click OsmAnd and then hit OK, and then it's going to change that. It might take a sec, you might have to tap it, but then it'll configure to this. And I can just show you the features of OsmAnd. There are a lot, so I won't go through all of them, but it's got everything you need, pretty much to do your daily navigation. So if I go in here, obviously it's on my location, our office in Perth, Balcatta at the moment. It's currently set to just a random address in the city, just from my testing. And as you can see, if I zoom out, it's got the entire map. It's quite responsive. It's all loaded onto the device locally, meaning obviously it doesn't need any connection, and it uses the built-in GPS on the unit to keep track of where you are, which even when I'm indoors here, if I open our GPS test app, you can see it's currently accurate to about 10 to 12 feet. It's going to have no issue keeping track of where you are if you're out in the country or if you're just driving around the city. So if I come into here again, as you can see the features, if I hit search, I can type any address. So you can go into address, or it's got categories and you can look for accommodation, food, emergency services, fuel, all that kind of thing. So it's got tons of these things, even parking, sightseeing and more. If you want to explore, then there's popular places nearby, but that would include having an internet connection. And then you can also have your search history here, which I've just got disabled to not leak my address. And then, so you can search a street. In Perth right now I've got it set to, so I was looking for Perth on the map, and then this is literally every street in Perth, and you can go through and pick one of them. But it's got all these nearest cities, so if I were to click a different city, it would give me the streets for those different cities, I suppose. But you can also just type directly in here an actual street address. So if I don't search Perth and I just search like for example Hay Street, which is in Subiaco over here in Perth. There we go, or it's also in Jellymont, Daglish and Subiaco, but there you go. So you can search for a particular street quite easily, and then if I were to click on it, then it's got some addresses as well. But for an offline map, the exact number is, a bit wishful thinking. So this has all of Australia downloaded locally onto it. And it's just a bit of peace of mind knowing that if I'm out driving somewhere and my phone was dead or I was getting no connection or anything, then I always have a surefire way to get directed anywhere just built onto the head unit. So that's OsmAnd, guys. There are more features on the app that you can explore for yourself, but everything is working really compatible with the head unit and with this app, so it's definitely one that we recommend for your offline navigation.